Welcome to Beautyistic, where we delve into the latest in beauty and salon equipment. Today, we're reviewing the Salon Tray Cart with storage platform, an aluminum tattoo tray equipped with wheels and an adjustable height feature, designed for salon and spa use. Product overview. This Salon Tray Cart boasts a sturdy construction, combining premium iron and aluminum for enhanced durability. The corrosion-resistant materials ensure longevity, while the 5-star base plate made of PP material offers stability and reduces the risk of tipping. The top plate measures 17 inch by 13 inches by 1.2 inch, providing ample space for various tools. Additionally, the cart features a small countertop in the middle for easy placement of items and uniquely designed tool holders suitable for curling irons, brushes, hair dryers, and more. Usage experience. Setting up this cart is straightforward, with clear assembly instructions that make the process quick and hassle-free. Once assembled, the cart is easy to maneuver, thanks to its 5 swivel casters that allow smooth movement in any direction. The adjustable height, ranging from 27 to 40 inches, adds to its versatility, accommodating different tasks and user preferences. Performance. In practice, the cart performs admirably. The spacious top plate comfortably holds a variety of salon tools, while the storage platform beneath provides additional space for supplies. The adjustable height feature is particularly useful, allowing for customization based on the task at hand. The sturdy construction ensures that the cart remains stable even when fully loaded. Pros and cons. Pros: sturdy and durable construction, adjustable height for versatility, ample storage space, easy to assemble and maneuver. Cons: some users may find the design basic, limited color options available. Comparisons. When compared to similar salon carts on the market, this model stands out due to its combination of durability, functionality, and affordability. While some high-end carts offer more features, they often come at a significantly higher price point. Value for money. Considering its quality, features, and price, this Salon Tray Cart offers excellent value. It's a practical choice for professionals seeking a reliable and functional cart without breaking the bank. Build quality. The use of premium iron and aluminum ensures a robust build. The corrosion-resistant materials are designed for long-term use, and the 5-star base plate adds to its stability. The overall construction feels solid, and the cart is less likely to tip over even when fully loaded. User-friendliness. The cart is designed with user convenience in mind. The adjustable height feature is easy to operate, and the swivel casters make it simple to move around. The tool holders are thoughtfully placed, allowing for easy access to frequently used items. Customer support. The manufacturer offers a straightforward assembly process and provides after-sales support. If you encounter any issues or have questions, their customer service is responsive and helpful. Real-world testing. In a busy salon environment, this cart has proven to be a reliable companion. It holds up well under daily use, and the adjustable height feature has been particularly beneficial during various treatments. Updates. As of now, there have been no significant updates or changes to this product since its release. Final verdict. Overall, the Salon Tray Cart with storage platform is a solid choice for professionals in the salon and spa industry. Its durability, functionality, and affordability make it a worthwhile investment. Target audience. This cart is ideal for salon owners, hairstylists, and spa professionals who need a reliable and functional cart to organize their tools and supplies. Longevity. Given its sturdy construction and quality materials, this cart is built to last. With proper care, it should serve you well for many years. Alternative options. If you're considering other options, there are similar salon carts available at various price points. However, this model offers a balanced mix of quality and affordability that is hard to beat. If you're enjoying this review, liking, subscribing, and pressing the bell icon will allow us to bring you more great content or allow others to find this video too. Thank you for watching. You can find the link to get the product in the comments box. Feel free to ask questions about the product or share your experiences if you own it already.